So my stew peas is finally finished, and this is what it look like. As you can see, it is thick. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you one of my favorite dish, which is stew peas. Yeah, so here I have some red kidney beans. I have 2.5 cups. As you can see, I already washed it, so this is what it look like. So now I'm gonna add some garlic and some thyme and some pimento seed, and I'm gonna add some water to it. Just make sure the water cover the peas, because I'm gonna cook it for at least for an hour. This is hot water, guys. You can always use cold water, but I prefer to use hot water. So as you can see, the water cover my peas, so this is exactly how you want it. So my pot is on my stove. Make sure your stove is on medium. So this is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover my pot, and as what I said earlier, I'm gonna allow my peas to cook for at least 1 hour. Yeah, for at least 1 hour, because you know peas take a while to cook unless you're gonna pressure it, but I prefer to cook it like this. So the meat that I'm gonna use for my stew peas, I'm gonna use pigtail. So this is what it look like. As you can see, I cut it up. So this is exactly how you want it to be. You can also use chicken foot, you know, beef, you know, even chicken as well. But I like to use it with pigtail because it's delicious and it got this saltness to it. So make sure you wash your pigtail. So now I'm gonna add it to my pot, because I'm gonna scald it off so some of the salt will remove from it. So here I have a pot on the stove with some cold water. So now I'm gonna add my pigtail to my pot, and I'm gonna make it come to a boil for at least 10 minutes. Then I change the water. I'm gonna change the water at least 2 times. So I'm just gonna add my pigtail now. Make sure you have enough water in there so your pigtail will cover with the water. So this is what my pigtail look like after I add it to my pot. So my pigtail has come to a boil. So now I'm gonna change my water, because you can see all the fat and all the foam is on top of it. So this water have to change. So make sure you do this process as well. It's very important. So this is the second time changing the water. So this is what it look like. So I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 10 minutes. So for the meantime, I'm gonna make my dough for my stew peas. So here I have 1 cup of flour, plain flour, and I added at least a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna add some cold water to my flour. Don't add everything at once. Then take my hand and just stir it all in. I'm gonna add some more water. That's not enough water, so I'm just gonna keep adding. So my dough is finished, and this is what it look like. So now I'm just gonna put it to the side. So these are all my ingredients for my stew peas. You have spring onions, you have caramelized pepper, you have thyme, you have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoonful of black pepper, 1 teaspoonful of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoonful of salt, and coconut milk. As you can see, this is the can one. So I'm just checking my peas now. So my peas is finally finished, guys. As you can see, that's perfect. So now I'm gonna add my pigtail to my peas. Hi guys, so I have to change my pot for my stew peas because that pot was too small. Yes, I have to change it to a bigger pot. So as you can see, I add my pigtail. So now I'm gonna add my flour. So this is my flour. So what you should do, you just roll it, and this is what it should look like when you roll it, like so. You're making like spinners. That's what they call it, spinners. So after you add your flour, you're gonna allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna add all my herbs. And I'm gonna add all my seasoning as well. It looks so good, guys. Look absolutely delicious. Then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Looking so yummy, guys. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna give it a taste now to see if it's gonna need any more salt or if it's gonna need any more all-purpose seasoning. Guys, that is perfect. That is perfect. I'm gonna allow it to cook for at least the next 30 to 35 minutes, and it should be finished. So my stew peas is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is thick, and this is exactly how you want it. I also add some bell pepper just for colored. It is totally optional. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. So I'm having my stew peas with plain rice and with salad. So this is what it looks like on the plate.